souls what I used to know. Throttle up as time collapses in. Every mile races where I've been. We ride through the spaces between lives. No map, no plan, just the pulse beneath our hands. This machine knows something ancient as the wind, carrying us backward to who we were within. The road keeps speaking, rhythms we forget. Freedom is the journey, not the arriving yet. Headlight cuts through liquid dark, painting lines that leave no mark. Feel the world breathe as we move, synchronized to this metal groove. We ride, shedding every borrowed sigh. No past, no face, just velocity and grace. This machine knows something